Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now scroll down and tap on Lock Screen Time setting. Set a screen time passcode. And let the passcode be different from your phone main password. Now log in your iPhone iCloud mail and password, then tap OK above. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions, then add your new passcode. Tap on Passcode and Face ID, then select Don't Allow. Go back and tap on Account, then select Don't Allow again. Now you can see that your iCloud account and your Face ID and passcode are invisible in the settings.